Welcome to CondoLogy.
Hello to you, I'm CondoBot. Let me introduce to you Pierre Clement. He is the owner of the CondoLogy application as well as its programmer and developer. This application was developed on Zoho Creator since he is at the same time a Zoho Creator partner with Zoho Corporation. Why CondoLogy? If you are a co-owner and/or administrator, it is good to know that he is still living in condominium for more than 20 years and he have been several years as an administrator under rather complex and very difficult mandates involving bad manners, promoters, doubt, mistrust, disagreements between co-owners that may damage the person integrity. This can lead in a very bad situation for the condominium even if your intention as administrator is the fairest and is to respect the rules of the civil code and/or the common law as well as those of your deed of condominium. He also practiced handy administration on well-known software for creating documents for meetings, keeping agendas, making submissions. For some of you, you may recognize yourself. Finished all that, he created and programmed CondoLogy. This application has thousands of lines of computer code, 88 workflows or custom functions for more than 125 automations in the production of your administration to maintain the uniformity and integrity of your reports. Create your easy-to-view tracking reports that automatically communicate via email with relevant contacts. Demonstrate to your co-owners and prove to your insurer the rigor and transparency of your administration. You know, having an inventory of assets and mechanics of the condominium can save you a lot on your insurance premiums and can also reduce the deductible. It's easy since CondoLogy is highly automated to simplify your life, save you time and money. In addition, your data belongs to you, they can be downloaded at any time. Don't forget, he is the programmer. So, if you have an idea that can be added to CondoLogy and do benefit other administrators like you, let's go, he is willing to discuss with you. Have fun with CondoLogy. I'm CondoBot and waiting on the website to help you.